Hey, it's Eran here. I'm going to do a tutorial on Switchy and Namecheap, where I'm basically going to connect the domain name to your Switchy account so you can create short links, aka pretty links, to help you with affiliate marketing, to help you with sharing links easily. And this is a strategy that I absolutely love. And I wanted to record a tutorial on doing that particular tech integration. I want to thank Alexander for letting me use his account to be able to do this integration. Alexander is in my paid community and I offered to do this for him in exchange for using this as a tutorial for my YouTube channel. So he bought the link alexgreen.link, which is a great domain name for this type of a use case. We're going to click on manage. This is his Namecheap account. When you are in your Namecheap account, you're going to go to advanced DNS. Then in here, what you're going to do is you have different records. Now you're going to go to Switchy and you will see how to add a domain name. So you basically click on these settings right here, click on custom domains, and then you will say log into your domain hosting domain provider, which is in this case Namecheap. Then it says in the domain settings section, look for DNS settings, which is what I just showed you, which is you go to advanced DNS. And then it says, once you're in the DNS settings, create a CNAME record of your choice that is points to links.switchy.io. And then I'm going to copy this like so. So like here, I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to click on, there's a couple of things you could do. You can actually search for CNAME and just see what CNAMEs are there first. Now you could see that there is no records. So I'm going to click on add new record. I'm going to click on CNAME record. I'm going to click on target. www, like so. It might be to use the word at. Click on save all changes, and that's it. That's the integration. Now I'm going to click here. You could say where it says wait for DNS propagation. The next thing that needs to be done with Switchy is you will notice that there is this IP address and you gotta set up the A record to point to that. So we're gonna go to Namecheap and you could see that we have a couple of them here. So we're going to basically add the A record and we're going to click on save changes. And the other thing is you'll notice that there's two A records here. So we just have to delete one of them because it is going to basically create a conflict. So now we have an A record going to this, and also we change this to at instead of www, and let's see if that works. Now, if you're not sure, what I would recommend is you can also basically have a conversation with the support here, and I will type in and say, here is what I set up. Can you tell me if this is correct? And then we're going to go back to Namecheap, and we'll take a screenshot like so. We're going to go back here and we will drop it and click. And now we'll wait and see to make sure that we hear back from Switchy support, just to make sure. Now on this step, you see where it says add your own custom domain. So we're gonna paste in the same URL that was purchased through Namecheap, and we're gonna click on add. Now it says your domain is ready. Now the reason it says your domain is ready is because we added two records here. We have the A record and we have the CNAME record, which is this one. Both are at, and you can always check it out by going to DNS checker, put the URL, check on CNAME, click on search, and you'll see it will come up with all these greens. Now, here is what's going to happen next. We are going to go back right here. We are going to paste in this URL right here, and we're going to click on switch it, and we'll scroll down, and we'd see that we actually have the domain name right here. Now, we can give this a unique name. So if Alexander wants to promote this, he can basically paste in this URL right here, and we'll call it track or tracker. Let's do track so it's shorter. So he can tell people on a webinar, go to alexgreen.link/track to be able to sign up to the subscription tracker. Now, there is other things you can do, like you can add pixels. I will leave that to a separate tutorial. But you can just click on get my new link. And now you've got the pretty link that will automatically be redirected to the affiliate link, basically. Now, bear in mind that this link is not his affiliate link. So he's going to have to add the affiliate link information, basically, $SA equals, and then his affiliate link he's going to have to add right here, basically. Once he does that, he can basically click on update link, and it's still going to be the same link. So if he uses this link in a blog or whatever, and for some reason the link changes, it's still going to be redirected to the correct place. So everything is connected, and now there is one final step, and that is you want to set a page that will be redirected in case somebody mistypes this, basically. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click here on setup 404, like so, and you're going to paste in the URL or the homepage of your main website, which is earnwithalex.com in this particular case. We're going to click on confirm. And now basically, let's just say anytime somebody types in, you can see that the website is earnwithalex.com. Let's say alexgreen.link, and somebody types that in. It's going to basically redirect back here. Let's say somebody types alexgreen.link / blah, 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 whatever, and it's like a typo. It's going to still redirect back to the homepage. And that is the final setup that needs to be done in Switchy. And that can only be done after you've actually connected the domain name. And that concludes the domain integration between Switchy and Namecheap. So you can start creating pretty links by adding the link right here, whatever link you want to share. Click on switch it and then start creating it and using it. And you can always find them by doing a search right here. So this is just a really handy feature. It saves you a lot of time, and I hope you use it. If you're not already using Switchy, then I definitely recommend you check it out. You can simply type in eran.link / Switchy, which is my affiliate link for Switchy. So that's what you would do. And if you want to learn a little bit more about pretty links and why it's a good thing to use and why you need it in your business, simply type in eran.link / pretty links. And this will take you to an entire blog post that explains the concept of pretty links and how to use them and all that good stuff. So that's about it. Hope you got value from this tutorial. Go ahead and do the integration, and that's about it. Alex, really appreciate you giving me your login details to be able to do all this integration. Go ahead and use it and enjoy.